What are some benefits of filing married jointly versus married separate? And when would you recommend one versus the other?
Okay. If your spouse have a tax liability married separate, I would recommend so you do not have that tax obligation attached to you. There are benefits to file married jointly. You get a higher standard deduction when you file married joint. So that's the requirements. If you're married, you're required to file married joint. But if you and your spouse live separately in two separate homes, you are required to file married. You can file married separate. You do not have to file married joint. But also, something that a lot of people do not know is that if you and your spouse are still married and y'all live apart for 6 months in two different residences, you're allowed to file single. If you have kids, you're allowed to file head of household. You don't have to file married separate nor married jointly.
Is there tax benefits to filing head of household versus married filing separately?
Yes, there are benefits. If you make $17,000 and you have a kid, which allows you to file head of household, then you get entitled to the earned income credit. If you are married jointly, it automatically disqualifies you for the additional credit, no matter if you have a kid. I mean, if you have a kid, but you automatically disqualifies you for the extra additional credit.